Welcome to our training session on Lean Gemba walks. In this session, we will explore what Gemba walks are, their purpose, and why they are crucial in lean manufacturing. Gemba, a Japanese term, means the real place, and in the context of lean manufacturing, it refers to the place where value is created, the shop floor. The purpose of a Gemba walk is to observe the process, engage with the workforce, and identify opportunities for improvement. It's a vital component in the lean methodology, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. The three core principles of Gemba walks are go and see, ask why, and show respect. Go and see emphasizes the need for leaders to observe processes firsthand, rather than relying on reports. Ask why involves understanding the root causes of issues by asking insightful questions. Show respect means valuing the input and expertise of employees, recognizing their role in the process, and fostering a collaborative environment. Preparation is key to a successful Gemba walk. Start by defining clear objectives. What do you hope to learn or achieve? Next, select the specific areas or processes you want to observe. This helps focus the walk and ensures that time is used efficiently. It's also beneficial to gather preliminary data, such as production metrics or recent issues, to provide context during the walk. During the Gemba walk, it's essential to observe without interfering. Your goal is to see the process as it naturally occurs. Engage with employees by asking open-ended questions and listening actively to their insights. Document your observations, noting any deviations from standard procedures, potential safety issues, or areas for improvement. Asking the right questions is crucial for a productive Gemba walk. Use open-ended questions to encourage discussion and deeper insights. The 5 whys technique helps identify root causes by asking why multiple times. Remember to focus on the process, not the people, to avoid blame and encourage a culture of problem solving. After the walk, categorize your observations to identify common themes and trends. Look for patterns, such as recurring issues or frequent deviations from the standard. Prioritize the issues based on their impact on safety, quality, and efficiency. This analysis will guide your action plan for improvements. Based on your findings, develop an action plan. Set SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, to ensure clarity and accountability. Assign responsibilities to team members and establish clear timelines for implementation. An effective action plan is crucial for turning observations into meaningful improvements. Implementing improvements requires clear communication of changes to all affected employees. Provide necessary training to ensure everyone understands the new procedures or tools. Monitor progress closely, tracking the implementation of changes and their impact on performance. This step ensures that improvements are effective and sustainable. Review and sustain improvements by conducting regular follow-ups to assess progress and address any new issues. Establish a continuous feedback loop, encouraging employees to share their observations and suggestions. Celebrating successes, even small ones, is important to maintain morale and reinforce a culture of continuous improvement. Praxie provides simple yet powerful tools for Gemba walks, as well as dozens of other process solutions. Contact your representative to learn more. In conclusion, Gemba walks are a powerful tool for understanding and improving manufacturing processes. Today, we've covered the key principles, preparation, execution, and follow-up processes. And now that you're ready, complete your assessment today.